up guys? Thanks for coming back to my channel. To be honest, straight down to business, this is my first ever sponsored video, but like you know me, I'm always gonna be unbiased. So let's get straight to it.
And as you can see, it's double packed. I love that. We got the Veymax seal here. I mean, nice imprints on the box all the way. And of course, their branding. We got the insulation and there's the board. Let's unwrap it. Look at this. And let's have a look inside the box. First thing I see is a manual. We have our charger. Charging output of 1.7. We got your charging plug, which is not a European. Basic tools, extra bolts, always nice when you need them. And these are nice. I'm curious about those. This T-tool. Ooh, I like this one. I like this color. Stickers. No fucking way. Yeah, really nice stickers actually. Then you got the remote. It is slightly, yeah, ever so slightly rubberized. It's pretty light. Nice resistant to the wheel. Buttons are tactile. And like this small screen, like the Hobbywing. Then you get some extra USB to USB-C cables. And you get this wrist strap, which actually looks nice. It's one of the best I ever had. Like, it has nice funky color. Love this. And then the other light. Again, it's charged via USB-C.
Shablam. And there you got her. The Veymax Cejour. And I pronounce it with a French name because I'm partially French, but mostly because Cejour in French means this day, this moment, which is a freaking awesome name for a board.
Now to the point, for a budget board of $379, it looks really refined. I mean, the grip tape, nice design, it's nice and glossy. It even has a nose and tail guard built in. It weighs about 8.8 kilos. It's made of 8 layers of Canadian maple and 1-ply fiberglass. On the other side, we see the battery casing and the EC casing. And to be honest, it really, budget board looks really refined. So we're dealing with RKP trucks, reverse camping trucks from MBAC, of course, and a Hot Wheels setup. All of this setup is rated at an IP rating of 5.5, means that it's dust proof and water resilient in a way. It's not really water repellent like many would think, but they deal with an official rating, which is good, and it's perfect for cleaning your board. I mean, you went out, it's dirty, spray some water on it, so that's perfect. I mean, I wouldn't approve driving in wet weather anyways, never. Another thing, back to the trucks, they're 7.5 inches wide, and they're all set up in a 45-degree angle, which means they offer you a bit more stability compared to a 50-degree angle. A lot of them are in a 50-degree angle, which give you more curvature, carving, but these are in 45, which normally should give you more stability at higher speeds. The bushings are 92A durometer. They're pretty stiff. The wheels itself are 83A, and the wheel size are 90 to 60 millimeters wide. You have to know that the wheels, the Hot Wheels, because we're dealing with Hot Wheels, they're interchangeable. So they have these bolts. You can check the website of Veymax. They have interchangeable wheels that you can add to this board. The battery that I have is a 216 watt-hours battery, so it's 5 amp hours. It's composed of the EVE 18650 cells with 2 5 amp hours. It's advertised to get 21 kilometers. The motors, like I said, they're Hot Wheels, they're built in to the wheel. They are 550 watts. The ESC is a LifeLock, so the advantage to it is that it has push to start, which Hobbywing doesn't have. The other thing is that when you fully brake and you're in a standstill, that you get like full brakes, full lock. So the remote. So you have 4 speed modes. Ooh, that's a lot of information. That's really nice. You get like a lot of information on that. shows me that the board is really flat, so I really need to charge it. But there's a lot of information on it, like you don't get with Hobbywing. First glance, good size, feels good in the hand. Like I always do before I ride out, I check every bolt. Another thing to notice is, and that I need to specify with Veymax, is that you get 9 months of warranty. So I think I covered the most of the unboxing and the specifics of the board. Now let's get to the riding of the board.